So as we report the daily numbers on this cruel virus, let's take the time to remember these are real lives being affected, like that of a Yuma couple married for almost 40 years, both healthcare workers and both now fighting the coronavirus. A retired nurse shares her personal connection with the couple and how the community has come together to lend a helping hand. Aziza Schuler with their story.
I got to Zoom with Eddie. He tried lifting his head and opened his eyes when he heard my voice. He's so tired. He was able to breathe on his own for their goal of 6 hours. So poor honey is mighty tired. He probably felt like he was running a marathon. Today, Marla Moore is feeling thankful, posting daily updates from her dear friends of nearly 30 years, Edna and Eddie Hernandez.
They both ended up testing positive. It makes it very real. You know, you hear people all over saying that they're, it's being blown out of proportion, all those different things. But you know what? This is a real family.
Moore says the married couple fell ill with COVID-19 symptoms earlier this month.
Her symptoms were much more mild, but she did have a lot of pain, shortness of breath, fever, etc. But she was able to stay home. And Eddie's symptoms were a lot harder.
Moore says Eddie, a 59-year-old health caregiver, is in the ICU in the same hospital where he worked before contracting the virus. For 2 weeks, he's had to breathe using a ventilator.
Edna never asked for any money at all. What she reached out to me for was for prayer, because we all believe in prayer.
Once friends and family members heard about the beloved couple's health conditions, they wanted to help. Moore took the initiative in setting up a GoFundMe. The goal was to raise $15,000. In 10 days, 280 donations and 2.4 thousand shares, over $17,000 poured in, all from people Moore believes have some connection to Eddie and Edna.
Just at a loss for words, but so grateful. And at the same time, to keep prayers going. That's the most important thing that we've been seeking out.
Reporting in Yuma, I'm Aziza Schuler.
Yeah, clearly a beloved couple, Aziza. Thank you. We're wishing them the best.